Hello, good evening to everyone, and this is the first video of my channel. Watch this, subscribe, like. In this first video, I'm going to teach you the tutorials of robotics, which mean connecting the motor switch to the battery and some LEDs. You can see these. And I'm also going to teach you how to keep soldering for the beginners. Okay. I am welcoming you all to watch this video. Now let's start the video. First, we should put down the soldering in the plug point and we should wait till it gets heated. Now see here. Um, Here you can see two terminals are present in motor. Um, Now it's visible. Um, this is positive and this is negative, so it will rotate in clockwise direction. I'm fixing the propeller in it. Okay. Now I'll teach you how to keep soldering. First, take the wire which you are going to use. For positive, I am using yellow wire and negative, I am using blue wire. Cut it using a wire cutter like this. Then take your motor, the left terminal of the motor, twist it nicely. Then we should open the flex or soldering paste. Testing or soldering is heated. See? Now our soldering is heated, so we can begin our work. First, see here what I am doing. Okay, now we can take the lead. Um, okay, we should take the soldering very gently, and first we should melt it. We should melt the lead. Okay. See guys, actually this video is I'm uploading this only for beginners. Uh, just you can buy the soldering on online, everything. Okay. Okay. Next, see here, our positive terminal has been soldered. Now, now I am using blue wire for negative terminal. Okay guys, do the same for the second terminal also. Um, if you want to know that you have done the circuit correctly, I'll say your trick. Take a 9-volt battery like this. Open it. For checking, see here. Okay, this ensures that our motor working, and we have completed first chapter of soldering. Now see here, I'm going to connect this to a battery clip